Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So hope everyone is doing good. Let's start the reading. Let's see what is coming for the cards today. I'm going to pick the first card. I felt to pick 9 of Cups. A beautiful day of enjoyment. I feel you will enjoy with your partner, with your loved ones. And but somewhere when I see this card, I feel, maybe there is a sadness inside you which you're trying to pacify yourself by just keeping yourself happy, and that sadness is actually eating you from inside. This is what I felt, so I'm saying that. And maybe and for some it will be a day of enjoyment with their loved ones, but for some it's some sadness which is eating them from inside. Let's see what is the next card saying. Okay, so maybe it is also related to worry for money, or when I see this card I always feel income and expenses are equal, like there's no savings happening. It is as if whatever is coming is just going with full-fledged, and there is nothing which is left as a saving here. So maybe that is what the card is trying to say. So not an issue. Maybe today what you can do is just think that today is not your day, and today whatever is coming in your way will get spent. So maybe accordingly plan. For example, if you have someone who's going to give you money today, ask them to give the next day and not today, because for your today's day whatever comes is going to go away. So in that case it is always better to postpone the income which is coming to another day, so that you are rest assured that the money is not going to get spent. Today I feel you need to wear the color white, because a lot of clarity is needed, a lot of confusion is going on in your mind. So wear the color white. And also today, if possible in the morning, do the Gayatri mantra Om Bhurbhuva Swaha by burning the ghee lamp in front of your puja room, and in the ghee lamp add just 1 pepper and 1 clove, 1 of each pepper and clove. Burn it, do the Gayatri mantra, and then start your day. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.